Before you close your eyes tonight, you must hear this. One silent habit is sabotaging your sleep, hijacking your brain, and turning your nights into a battlefield, and you're about to break free from it forever. Most people who struggle with sleepless nights believe they are simply bad sleepers. They blame stress, genetics, work, or the fact that modern life is chaotic. But the real cause is often much simpler, much more predictable, and infinitely more dangerous. A single mistake repeated minutes before bedtime that shuts down your ability to fall asleep naturally. This mistake is subtle, almost invisible, and incredibly common. And that's why it destroys so many people's nights without them even realizing it. Think about your last few nights. You were tired, maybe exhausted, yet somehow, when you got into bed, your mind flipped a switch and refused to slow down. Thoughts raced. Worries expanded. Random memories, conversations, and plans for tomorrow started appearing out of nowhere. You tried breathing deeper, shifting positions, adjusting your pillow, maybe even checking the time over and over. But the harder you tried to sleep, the more awake your brain became. Sound familiar? It should, because millions of people repeat this exact pattern every night. But here's the truth, most never hear. Your brain is not malfunctioning. You are unknowingly doing something moments before bedtime that tells your brain, stay awake, stay alert, stay active. And once that message is delivered, falling asleep becomes almost biologically impossible. So what is this mistake? What is the behavior so normalized, so deeply rooted in the modern world, that it tricks your brain into insomnia every single night? Overloading your mind with stimulation right before bed? This mistake is deceptively simple, yet shockingly destructive. Modern humans live in a constant flood of information, scrolling, watching, responding, reading, reacting, thinking. And because we carry this world inside a glowing rectangle, the habit of stimulating our brain continues long after the sun goes down. The brain isn't built for this, not emotionally, not cognitively, not chemically. Every message, every notification, every video, every intense conversation, every episode of a dramatic show sends micropulses of alertness through your nervous system. That alertness raises cortisol, suppresses melatonin, and activates survival-based regions of your brain, exactly the opposite of what you need for deep sleep. But the most dangerous part, this mistake feels harmless. No one thinks twice before checking a message. No one questions whether a short video is damaging their sleep cycle. No one imagines that a final look at emails could trigger hours of insomnia, yet that's exactly what happens. Sleep isn't something the brain does on command. It's a biological transition, a gentle descent, a shutting down of mental tabs and sensory input. But when you stimulate your brain right before bed, that descent becomes an uphill battle. You try to sleep while your brain is still running a marathon. This is why so many people lie awake thinking, why can't I sleep even though I'm tired? The answer is simple. Your body is tired, but your brain is wired. And here's the problem. Most people don't give their brain time to shift from day mode to night mode. The mental engine keeps running at full speed until the very second they try to sleep. It's like slamming the brakes on a speeding car and expecting a smooth, soft stop. That's not how the brain works. The transition must be gradual. If not, the brain goes into hyperarousal state where it becomes impossible to fall asleep. No matter how exhausted you feel, hyperarousal is what makes your eyes heavy but your thoughts loud. It's what creates internal restlessness, mental replay, and the feeling that you can't stop thinking too much, and it is almost always triggered by mental stimulation too close to bedtime. But here's the good news. If one habit can create insomnia, one habit can eliminate it. When you stop feeding your brain stimulation before bed, your nervous system recalibrates. Cortisol drops on its own. Melatonin rises naturally. Your breath deepens. Your thoughts slow. And your mind finally begins to release the day, instead of magnifying it. It doesn't take months. It doesn't even take weeks. For many people, the difference starts in just a few nights. The key is simple but powerful. The last 30 minutes of your day determine the next 8 hours of your night. This is your biological wind-down period. The time when your brain switches gears. When your internal rhythm prepares for restoration. But this only works if you stop giving your mind tasks, choices, stimulation, conflict, or information right before sleep. So what should replace the mistake.com/slowness? Predictability, quiet. Choose activities that signal your brain it's safe to transition into rest. Gentle breathing, stretching, low lighting, a warm shower, soft music, light reading, journaling, silence, intentional stillness. These cues tell your brain, the day is over. You can let go now. And once your brain receives that message, sleep stops being a struggle and becomes a natural outcome. Imagine this, a night where you lie down and feel your mind quiet almost instantly. Your thoughts don't fight you, your body sinks into comfort. Your breathing settles into a slow, effortless rhythm, and when sleep comes, it's deep, uninterrupted, and restorative. Now imagine waking up actually refreshed, not groggy, not irritated, not mentally foggy, but genuinely renewed. This isn't magic, it's biology. And it begins with removing a single habit that has been damaging your nights for years. The mistake you make before bed does more than cause insomnia. It steals your energy. It weakens your mental clarity. It affects your emotions, your performance, your relationships, and your motivation. But when you fix this mistake, everything begins to rise: your focus, your productivity, your emotional balance, your patience, your mood, your drive, your sense of control. Sleep is the foundation of your entire life. And breaking this nightly mistake may be the most powerful turning point you'll ever experience. Tonight, choose differently, because the moment you stop stimulating your mind, you finally reclaim the sleep, the peace, and the life you've been missing.